welcome back to Craft Kingdom. This is Urja, and today we are making a Christmas wreath. It is very easy to make, and as you have seen, I have decorated the Christmas decorations. This is the rainbow snowflake from one of my videos, and the snowman from my last video. So now for the Christmas wreath, you need cardboard, A4 size sheets, and glitter. So let's get started. So first of all, take a A4 size sheet and fold it in half. And once again, fold it in half, and one more time. Next, take a Christmas leaf and draw it on the card. It should look something like this. Then cut it out. We would tiny little cutouts would be left after cutting out our leaves, so we would not let them go waste. Instead, we would cut them into small pieces and paste it on our ring. So we might have a lot of those because we need a lot of sheets, a lot of leaves, so it might also depend on the size of your circle. So now we have to chop them we have to cut them into small squares. It don't have to be too small, otherwise it would be very hard. So let's cut them out. I have cut them into small pieces, so they're all of mixed colors of green. They're light green and the dark green, so they look something like this. Now they are very fine, so now we have to paste them on our ring. First of all, apply the glue on your circle and nicely pour a small amount of chopped leaves on it nicely so that it completely gets it. For the leaves, you have to take 5 of these leaves that we cut it out. Now apply a small drop of glue in the center of the leaf and then paste them in the order you like. Press it so that it gets stick. Looks something like this. Our wreath base is completely dried, and now we are going to stick our leaves. So we have to stick them all around. So flip over the leaves, apply a small drop of glue as applied previously, flip them over and stick them nicely on the wreath base. Now we have to paste all our leaves like this on the wreath. And now I have taken the circles which I am going to paste them. You can choose any decoration you like and any size you want. So I am pasting it, and I have also used golden glitter for some nice dots. So guys, our wreath is ready and it is looking really pretty. So this is what it looks like. I have applied some red and yellow circles and golden glitter. You can even use it as a frame to click photos, or you can put it on your main door or your room door. So this is what it looks like, and it is really pretty. So if you like this video, share the video, subscribe to Craft Kingdom, and we'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye.